Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jerianna, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I just recently purchased from Unice hair. So to start off, I want to go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So you will get a cute headband to wear with your wig, a wig cap, and then they also put in a cute Christmas charm bracelet. Here I'm showing you guys the actual wig. It is a 24-inch 4x4 closure wig. Notice that I did not say a 4x4 lace closure because it is not full lace. There is only lace right in the front of the wig and then also lace for the actual part. But other than that, there is no lace all over that section. I also am showing you guys that I put in an elastic band. I sewed that in myself. It did not come with that. And then there are also 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And then here you guys can see my very old braids. Please do not get on me. I know they are old, and because I didn't plan on wearing this wig very long, that's why I didn't redo my braids. But it's all good. It's gonna get the job done. But as you guys can see here, I'm just oiling in between my braids with some Do Grow oil. And yeah, I'm gonna be oiling it before I get ready to put on my wig cap. And then here I am using some of my Murray's Edge Wax to slick down my frizzy edges. And this is just to help that cap lay down a little bit flatter. And then here I'm just taking that wig cap that came with the wig in the packaging, and I'm just using that. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to use this wig cap because the closure wig actually comes with that cap netting where the lace is supposed to be, so you don't necessarily need it, but because it came in the packaging and for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and use it. And then after that, I'm going to be taking some of my Black Radiance press powder to actually tone down the color of that wig cap material that's in the lace area, because when I was looking at it, it looked like it was a little too light for it to be my scalp color. So that's why I'm taking that Black Radiance press powder to kind of match the foundation color that I'm using. And what I noticed after coloring it a little bit, I noticed that there's like 2 layers of that wig cap material. So I don't even know that the press powder that I used actually seeped through to that section, but it really doesn't even matter because I'm going to be taking some concealer later on in the video to fix my parting. So So here you guys see me just trying to pluck that part a little bit more. I did try to pluck the part and the wig all together the night before, but I didn't really see it doing anything, and it's probably because I noticed later on that lace area is not even, that closure area is not even really full lace, so there's not much plucking that I can do. So yeah. And then here I'm taking some of that Got to Be Glue freeze spray, and I'm just spraying 1 light layer over the top of it and just kind of letting it air dry so that it gets tacky. And then you're gonna see me a few moments later spray another layer of the Got to Be Glue spray, and that is just to give it some hold so that way it does stay down. after you see me do the 2 layers of Got to Be Glued Free spray, I'm going ahead and laying down that lace on my forehead, and I'm combing back the hair so that way they don't get in the way and kind of start getting messy all over the lace. And I'm gonna go back through and spray a little bit more lace, a little bit more Got to Be Glued Free spray on the lace, because I noticed that it was, of course, still coming up because it isn't glue. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be using a whole lot of that spray throughout the video. Now you see me getting ready to cut away that extra lace. So I tried to stay really close to the hairline of the wig so that way I can try to disguise that lace as much as I can, because I am new to this and not true to this, like I've been telling y'all. So bear with me if you guys see lace in the end, but I tried my very best to try to stay very close to the hairline so that you guys don't see any lace. So now that I have the lace all laid down with the Got to Be Glued Free spray, it is time for me to attempt to lay these baby hairs, y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it was a struggle in the beginning because, again, I have never done baby hairs really on wigs, so this is a first for me. But I've watched a few tutorials on this to kind of see the idea on how to lay the baby hairs, so I'm thinking that I got it going now that I'm looking at it. So yeah, I am now taking a very thin layer from the front of the lace closure to basically get ready to cut my baby hairs. You guys can see here that they are very long. Don't worry about that. I am gonna go back in and cut those a little bit shorter. But yeah, I am taking a very, very thin layer from the front. And I also noticed that after looking at the video, I made my baby hairs a little too close to that part. I should have brought the baby hair a little bit further down on the closure, if that makes sense. But yeah, again, this is all a learning process. So now I'm going to be taking some mousse. I actually forgot the brand of the mousse, but that'll all be listed down in the description box below. But I'm taking some of that mousse to start to form my baby hairs. Alright, so now that I have the baby hairs all laid, I am going to go ahead and take my hot comb so that I can try to give this illusion of combing the wig hair back away from the baby hair. I see a lot of people do this when they do their wigs, so I just want to try it out to see if it was going to give the look that it was supposed to give, and it did. So yeah. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf so that I can lay the baby hairs down and kind of get that lace to lay down a little bit more. And then after that, I think I left the scarf on for probably about 5 minutes just to get it to lay down. That's pretty much all the time that it needed. And then I'm going to get ready to start curling my hair. So actually, before I get ready to curl my hair, I'm actually going to trim the ends of the wig first, because I noticed that the ends were kind of looking a little scraggly on the ends. And it was very frizzy for some reason on the ends. And by me trimming it, it kind of somewhat, it looked like it tamed the frizz or made the frizz not look as frizzy, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so I did that first, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and start to curl my hair with the curling wands. I'm actually gonna speed this part up because I'm pretty much doing the same thing over and over again, and I cut a few pieces out because it's the same thing over and over again. It's pretty repetitive, and I will just check back in with you guys once I start doing something else. So yeah. So after my hair is all curled, I'm going to take a little bit of the Got To Be Glued freeze spray and tame some of the frizz at the top and throughout the hair. And then after that, I'm going to take some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer to actually fix that part in the middle and, you know, tone down that color that I was telling you guys about in the beginning. And I'm taking a little bit of the concealer in the front of the wig to kind of create some sort of, I guess, some sort of parting in the front, because I don't know if I left that clip in, but I did try to pluck a little bit by the baby hairs, but it didn't seem to do anything. So I felt like if I took some of my concealer, it would kind of create some parting and make it look a little more sparse in that area. But yeah, guys, this pretty much wraps up this hair look, so I will be back in a few seconds with my outro. Alright guys, so so this is the final look. And y'all, I think I did pretty good. Like, look at this. Tell me I didn't do that. Tell me that this wig is not it. And I'm gonna tell y'all lying, because this wig, look at it. Y'all. This is how the lace looks. I tried to do a little bit of like baby hair. This is beginner friendly because I'm a beginner, so don't be judging me too hard in the comments. I gave y'all the specs of the wig in the beginning. It is a 24-inch 4x4 closure wig. It is a 200% density wig. As you guys saw in the beginning when I showed you guys the inside of the wig, it has the 4x4 section, but it is not all full lace. So you can literally only have this part. You can't really part it any other places because there's tracks in here. So let me show you. You guys can see that right there. This is not a full lace wig, which I thought that's what I was getting when I ordered it. It's full, it's a lot of hair. The ends are full as well. I did trim the ends just a little bit because I just wanted it to have that even cut look, but overall I didn't really have to do too much to the ends. I only trimmed maybe that much, and they are really full. The only thing that I don't like about the hair is that it's like super frizzy. So I feel like I had to put a lot of Got To Be Glue spray on there just to kind of tame the frizz, especially at the top. Overall, I really do like the hair. It's very soft. I can just run my fingers through it. I'm not getting shedding really. I had to pluck the closure a little bit. That's the only shedding that I got, but when I'm running my fingers through it, I'm getting barely any shedding. So those just like 2-3 pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that. Barely, but yeah, it's not really that much shedding. But overall, I really like this wig. I think this is pretty good to say that this is a beginner friendly type of wig, because there's not a lot of things that you have to do with it besides cut the lace, maybe cut some baby hair. You probably could put this wig on and style it within like 20 minutes. I did mine probably within 35-40 minutes because, like I said, I'm new to this, not true to this. So yeah, so it took me a little bit longer, but on a regular day I probably could get this wig done, put on, styled, all that in 20 minutes because it's low maintenance. I don't want to keep rambling about it because y'all see what it is. Y'all saw me put it on, and yeah, so I say purchase it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to like the video and make sure to comment, subscribe to your girl, get my subscribers up. I am at 2K subscribers. I still have to do the 1K subscribers giveaway. I know I'm about to announce it, so get off my neck. With the 1K subscribers giveaway, I'm pretty much gonna have the same rules that I had for my 200 plus subscribers giveaway. I know you had to follow me on Instagram and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I think I'm gonna throw something in there where you guys have to like spam my account, like some pictures. I don't know. I am gonna give away some clothes. There were some things that I ordered that I end up getting, they end up sending me 2 of the same things, like one package, basically duplicate of the same package. So I'm just gonna give away that stuff, and I'm going to leave all the details about the giveaway and what you guys got to do to enter. Hey y'all, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you guys entering in the 1K subscribers giveaway, and yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video.